Let's discuss replication operator. So replication operator is the same as the concatenation operator, but there is a slight difference when when the inputs is repeating or number of bits are repeating, then we can use this replication operator. Let's see this example. Here 5, here this number, 1 bit number, that is 1. It's repeating 5 times. That's why they wrote 5, this curly bracket, and 1 tick be 1. So this is the number. This is actual number. 5 tick binary 11111. So 1 is repeating 5 times. So that's why they wrote like this. So this is the replication operator. In this way, we can use this replication operator and we can assign any inputs. Those are repeating. Okay. Here, see, ABC is repeating 2 times. So they wrote 2 curly bracket ABC. This is the actual format. How many times any vector or bits repeating, that number and that vector. Okay. So here 3 tick decimal 5. Decimal 5 means in the binary 101, and then decimal 6. Decimal 6 in the binary 110. So this 6 is repeating 2 times. So that's why they wrote 110110. And this is the first input, that is 101. So total after concatenation 3, and these are 6 bits. So 3 plus 6 9. So total 9 bit at the 9 bit result. Okay. Let's solve this question. Build a circuit that sign extends an 8 bit number to 32 bit. Okay. So there is an 8 bit number and we are using this replication operator in this sign extension. Okay. So what we are doing, MSB bit we are using for this sign, right? We know this thing. So we are extending we are doing sign extension, and we are making that 8 bit number to the 32 bit. Okay. So those 7 bit is same, and the 8 bit, that is a sign bit, and we are assigning that same sign bit to the remaining 24 bits. Okay. Okay. So that copy of 8 bit we are assigning to the all 24 bits. So let's solve the question. How we can write the code for that? Assign out equal to, see, we are keeping same input bit, those are 7 down 0. This is same, and remaining bits, how many bits are 8 bit we are assigning by this input. Okay. So how many remaining bits are there? 24. 31 down 8, right? So those are 24 bit we need to assign by MSB bit of input. So what we will do, 24 times we are repeating. So 24, then this curly brackets, then in 7. Okay. So this is the solution we wrote. Let's check it. Okay. So our code has run successfully. Let's see this solution. What they have given. Same thing. Whatever we wrote, they have given. Okay. Let's solve next question. So this is the comparison sort of question as given. For the comparison, we are using XNOR operations. Okay. So here also they have given 2 inputs and we need to compare those. So in this input, here A is repeating 5 times, B is repeating 5 times, C is repeating 5 times, D and E also repeating 5 times. And in the next input, A, B, C, D, E, these things is repeating 5 times. Okay. So we need to compare these things. So how we can compare? As the input bits are repeating, so we can use the replication operator and concatenation operators, right? So by using those two operators, we can solve this question. See, so this is the XNOR operation we are going to perform. in the bit by bit comparison. Okay, so we have vectors, we can directly compare. Okay, so let's use the concatenation operator and replication operator here. So first here a is repeating 5 times, so we can write 5 a, then comma 5 times b, 5 times c, 5 times d, 5 times e. Okay, next that is this is XOR operation, and because of negation is totally we can say XNOR. Okay, so we wrote first input, now we need to concatenate second input. So here same thing, 5 times a comma b comma c comma d comma e. So this thing is repeating 5 times. Okay, so abcd this is repeating 5 times. Let's submit and check it. Okay, so our code has run successfully. We got some warning, but it is fine, I guess. Let's see the solution, how they wrote code. Okay, this code and this code is same, whatever we wrote, but still we got a warning. I don't know why, but in this way also we can write this code. Okay, fine. So this is the solution what they have given, and this is the solution what we wrote. Okay, so this is all about this vector and replication and concatenation operators. We will see few more topics and questions in the upcoming videos. Till that, thank you.